Welcome to Pets Academic, the go-to channel for all things pet-related. Today, we've got something truly fascinating for you. If you're a proud pet bird owner or thinking about bringing one into your life, you're in for a treat. We're about to unveil 15 things your pet bird wishes you knew. 1. Why it's important to understand your pet bird's needs. Understanding your pet bird's needs is the key to ensuring they live a fulfilling and enriched life. 2. The meaning of bird body language. Have you ever wondered what your feathered friend is trying to tell you with their body language? It's a fascinating world of cues and signals that we'll decode for you. 3. Feathered friendships are important. Birds are social creatures, and they long for companionship just like we do. 4. Birds thrive on routine and structure. Routine and structure are essential for your pet bird's happiness. 5. The importance of mental stimulation. Your pet bird isn't just a pretty face, they're incredibly intelligent. 6. Birds need a varied and nutritious diet. A balanced diet is the key to a healthy and happy bird. Learn what foods should be on your bird's menu to ensure they're getting the nutrients they need. 7. The significance of fresh air and natural light. Find out why fresh air and natural light are crucial for your bird's well-being and how to provide them. 8. Hygiene and cleanliness matter. Maintaining a clean living area is essential. Discover the best practices for ensuring your pet bird lives in a healthy and comfortable environment. 9. Birds can be sensitive to noise. Your bird's sensitive ears are easily disturbed by loud noises. 10. Safety first, bird-proofing your home. Safety first. Explore how to bird-proof your home to prevent potential hazards and keep your bird secure. 11. Be mindful of potential toxins. Birds can be affected by toxins in their environment. Learn what to watch out for and how to protect your pet from harm. 12. Veterinary care is essential. Regular vet checkups are essential. 13. The need for social interaction. Social interaction is a must for your bird's happiness. Discover the art of bonding and fostering a strong relationship with your avian companion. 14. Providing the right-sized cage. The right-sized cage is essential for your bird's well-being. 15. Avoiding boredom and loneliness. Boredom and loneliness can affect your pet bird. Just click the link in the description below to learn more about each of these 15 crucial aspects of bird care. So, let's dive into the world of pet birds and ensure they lead happy, healthy lives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow bird enthusiasts. Your feathered friend will thank you for it.